friends, today we are going to make chocolate cake. It is a very wonderful recipe. For the chocolate cake in microwave, you will need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, or you can also use cow ghee, 2 eggs at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a microwave safe bowl, a wire mesh, a mixing bowl, and a whisk to churn all the ingredients. So now let us start making our cake. Take the flour and put it into the wire mesh. Also put the cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now sieve all the ingredients. After mixing it well, put the sugar. Mix it well. Now put all the wet ingredients like egg, vanilla essence, butter or ghee. Now take the spoon out and mix it well with a whisk. Now take the coffee powder and put it into the warm milk. Stir it well. Now put it into the batter. Now as you can see, our batter is ready. Make sure that there are no lumps left behind. Now take a microwave safe bowl greased with oil and all-purpose flour. Pour the batter into it. Now open the microwave and keep the bowl inside the microwave. Set the microwave on the highest power for 5 minutes. Now let's start. Our cake is ready. Now you can use a toothpick to check that the cake is cooked or not. It is perfectly cooked. Now take out the cake out of the microwave. Now letting the cake cool down for another 5 minutes, transfer it into a plate. Also put some choco chips. Now surround the cake with some almonds. Now it looks very beautiful cake. Now you just only want a knife to dig in. dig in. Oh, it tastes very beautiful. Now you can enjoy the cake. It's all yours.